Millions of drivers believe fuel-saving tricks that are actually draining their wallets and damaging their engines. Odds are you're following at least one of these myths right now, and it could be costing you thousands in repairs. These aren't just minor mistakes. They could be damaging your engine, ruining fuel efficiency, and emptying your wallet faster than you can say fill her up. Today, we're exposing 15 popular fuel myths that just won't die. Myth number 1 alone is a silent engine killer. Let's dive in. Myth number 15. Premium fuel makes any car run better. If your car doesn't specifically require premium fuel, you're literally throwing money away. Higher octane doesn't mean higher quality. It just resists knocking in high compression engines. If your car runs on regular 87 octane, pumping premium won't unlock extra horsepower or cleaner emissions. Think of it like watering houseplants with Perrier. It's overpriced, unnecessary, and does nothing. Premium fuel won't clean your engine, improve fuel economy, or make your sedan feel like a sports car. What it will do is increase profits for oil companies, not your mileage. Plus, using premium in an engine that doesn't need it can actually reduce performance in rare cases. The combustion process becomes less efficient, wasting energy. Always follow your owner's manual. Myth number 14. Turning off the AC saves tons of gas. Rolling the windows down might feel like the greener choice, but at highway speeds, it's a myth that costs you more. Aerodynamic drag from open windows forces your engine to work harder, often more than what the AC would use. Modern AC systems are efficient, drawing only 1 to 3% of engine power. Unless you're stuck in city traffic, sweating it out to save pennies on gas isn't worth it. Just hit the AC. Your MPG and your shirt will thank you. And if you're still in doubt, remember, your car was designed with climate control in mind. Engineers fine-tuned its performance with the AC running. It won't break your budget, but overheating yourself might break your focus. Myth number 13. All gas stations sell the same fuel. Not all gas is created equal. While the base fuel might come from the same refineries, what matters are the additives mixed in. Top-tier fuel stations add more detergents and friction reducers, which help prevent carbon buildup in your engine. That buildup can reduce your MPG, clog injectors, and shorten engine life. Automakers like BMW, Honda, and Toyota all recommend top-tier fuel, not because of branding, but because it keeps engines cleaner over time. The difference in price? A few cents. The difference in performance? Potentially hundreds in saved repairs. AAA studies found that engines using top-tier fuel had 19 times fewer deposits. That's a difference you can feel and eventually measure in your bank account. Myth number 12. Running on empty is harmless. Waiting until the last drop might sound adventurous, but it's risky. Your fuel pump relies on gasoline to stay cool. Running low repeatedly can cause it to overheat and wear out early. Even worse, sediment sitting at the bottom of your tank gets stirred and sucked into your system, clogging filters and injectors. Occasionally hitting E isn't doomsday, but making it a habit, that's a slow killer. And here's the kicker. Modern cars give you a low fuel warning for a reason. Ignore it too often, and you're asking for a breakdown, or worse, a $700 fuel pump repair. Myth number 11. Morning fill-ups get you more fuel. Cooler mornings mean denser fuel, right? Not exactly. Gas is stored underground where temperatures remain steady, usually 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, regardless of the time of day. You're not getting more bang for your buck by filling up early. The only thing you're gaining is lost sleep. Even if surface-level gas were warmer in the afternoon, the difference in volume would save you less than 5 cents. It's not worth planning your schedule around this long-debunked myth. Myth number 10. Fuel additives improve mileage. From miracle mileage boosters to horsepower in a bottle, fuel additives make big promises. But according to the EPA, Most deliver zero measurable improvement. Some brand name cleaners, like Techron, may help with injector buildup over time, but add 30% MPG claims? Pure snake oil. Many contain metallic compounds that could even harm your engine sensors or catalytic converter. Save your money and your motor by skipping the gimmicks. Instead, spend that money on routine maintenance. An oil change or new air filter will do more for your MPG than a dozen miracle bottles. Myth number 9. Topping off the tank gets you more gas click. That's when your tank is full. Every squeeze after that, either splashing out or getting sucked back into the station's vapor recovery system. Worse, overfilling can soak your evaporative emissions canister, a $300 to $600 repair. It's like tipping the gas station for the privilege of braking your own car. Stop at the click. Topping off can also lead to leaks, vapor lock, or failed emissions tests. That's a lot of risk for no real reward. Myth number 8. Manuals always get better gas mileage. Back in the day, manuals were the efficient choice. Today, not so much. Modern automatics with 8 to 10 speeds and CVTs often beat manuals in fuel economy. They shift at the ideal RPM automatically and adapt to driving conditions. In fact, some autos get 2 to 3 miles per gallon more than their manual counterparts. Unless you're driving a 1980s hatchback, that stick shift isn't saving fuel. It's just giving your leg a workout. And unless you're a hypermiling expert, human error usually costs you more fuel in a manual. Modern automatics don't make mistakes. Myth number 7. Warming up the engine saves fuel. Unless your car has a carburetor, and it probably doesn't, there's no need to let it idle for minutes before driving. Modern engines adjust fuel-air mix on the fly. Letting your car sit wastes gas, pollutes more, and may even cause premature engine wear due to cold oil not lubricating properly. Just give it 30 seconds, then drive gently. That's how engines and wallets stay healthy. Long warm-ups are also harder on catalytic converters, which don't function efficiently until driving warms them. In short, start it, wait half a minute, and go. Myth number 6. Cruise control always saves gas. Cruise control is great on flat highways, but on rolling terrain, it can guzzle fuel. Why? It keeps your speed constant, even if it means flooring it uphill. Human drivers naturally ease off when climbing and coast downhill. Adaptive cruise systems help, but they're still not as fuel-savvy as someone who reads the road. Fuel economy is about smoothness, not strict speed. Cruise control doesn't understand hills, but you do. Use it wisely. Myth number 5. Gas saver devices actually work. Magnets on the fuel line, tornado fans in the intake, fuel molecule aligners. Sounds fancy and totally fake. These gas saver gadgets violate basic physics and have been debunked by the FTC and EPA. If a $19 clip-on device could boost fuel economy by 20%, every automaker would include it. These products are scams disguised as science. Don't fall for it. Save your cash. No bolt-on gimmick will beat real maintenance, tire pressure checks, and smooth driving. Myth number 4. Neutral coasting saves fuel. Dropping into neutral downhill might feel smart, but it's actually worse. Today's fuel-injected engines cut fuel completely when coasting in gear, but in neutral, they must burn fuel to keep idling. Plus, it's unsafe and illegal in some places. You're risking your brakes, your control, and your fuel savings all at once. Also, modern transmissions are smart. Leave them in gear. Let the computers work for you. Myth number 3. E85 is inferior fuel. Ethanol-blended fuel, like E85, often gets a bad rap for lower MPG. And yes, it contains less energy per gallon, but it also costs less, burns cleaner, and has a much higher octane rating. Flex fuel vehicles are built to handle it. In performance engines, Ethanol allows higher compression and more power. Far from watered down, E85 is just different, not worse. And here's a twist. Many race cars run on ethanol-based fuels for that exact reason. More octane, more performance. Myth number 2. Change oil every 3,000 miles. This is one of the oldest and most profitable myths. Modern engines and synthetic oils easily go 7,500 to 10,000 miles between changes. Quick lube shops still push 3,000 to boost profits. Check your manual, not the sticker on your windshield. Changing too early wastes money and oil, harming both your wallet and the planet. Unless you're towing daily or driving a turbocharged race car, the 3,000-mile rule is dead. Let it rest. Myth number 1. Premium gas cleans your engine. Here's the big one. Premium gas won't clean your engine, fix misfires, or improve performance unless your car was designed to require it. All gas grades at a single station contain the same cleaning agents. Higher octane simply prevents knock in high-compression engines. If you're using it in a regular engine, you're just burning money. Literally. Even worse, people often use premium hoping it will heal a check engine light. Spoiler, it won't. That money belongs at the mechanic, not the pump. Fuel myths aren't just outdated advice, they're expensive mistakes. From topping off your tank to trusting magical additives, small habits can lead to big repairs. Knowledge is power, and savings. Now that you know the truth, drive smarter and save more. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and check out our next video on oil change myths that could be wrecking your engine. Until next time, drive safe, stay sharp, and don't believe everything you hear at the gas station.